2018, our group. Then he was brought here to head the department of BSc program, and he is managing the department very well. And he is a very good speaker, very sincere teacher also, person, very good administrator also. So popularly known as Anbe Sivam sir. Today he has chosen a very interesting topic. That is, as I said, I was giving you some information about the MBA course curriculum. Today he has chosen a topic about the prospects of aviation education. The purpose for which students have joined in MBA Airline Airport Management or BSc BBA Airline Airport Management. So people should know what are the prospects after completing this course. So Singara Vadivel sir has come prepared to tell you. He will speak to you about the various prospects available, opportunities, job opportunities also available in aviation industry. So you can please listen to him and also interact with him with his permission. Ask him questions also, either at the end or during the discussion. Better we can wait for the end of the speech and interact with, ask him questions about doubts also. Okay, thank you, sir. Anbesium sir, the
Yes, sir.
platform is.
Sir, thank you very much for your
Yeah,
kind
it is.
introduction, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, I will start the session, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Respected Dean, sir, I think sir is not joined in absentia. Respected
No, Dean sir is
Muthuswamy,
here.
sir. Oh, sir
Dean
is
sir
here.
is here. Okay.
Oh, sir, respected Dean, sir. Respected Muthuswamy, sir. Respected my dear faculties of MBA and BSc BBA, and my dear students who have joined in MBA as a career, I welcome everyone to Nehru College of Aeronautics and Applied Sciences. First of all, I congratulate you that you have chosen the correct choice for your career. That airline airport management, it is a very good career and the career that takes you a miles ahead. What for we are joined in this course with some expectations and by some eager you are joined. Therefore, just we will discuss about the prospects of aviation industry in India at present. That is a career that takes you a miles away. First of all, you want to know, is the aviation a good career in India? Definitely. Aviation is a very good career choice for future India because it guarantees tremendous potential growth and a great career. Each and every branch of the aviation sector has a very different need and criteria according to the workplace. Therefore, the most attractive and the best paid sector in the world is the aviation sector. Therefore, you have chosen the correct career for your future, and that too, you have chosen the correct college because for aviation and airline and airport management studies, our Nehru College of Aeronautics and Applied Sciences is the best college in South India, and our Nehru group of institutions are running in the 53rd year. It was started in the year 1968, and basically this is the campus where you are, that is the aeronautical campus. This is the first campus. In our Nehru group of institutions, we are having about nearly 22 different colleges, including medical, law, engineering, agriculture, and B schools, and autonomous arts and science college. Different colleges and health sciences, all we are having. But this is the basic. Normally, our CGO and secretary will tell this is the Thai Video, mother's place, first institution. Therefore, you are joined in the first institution, that to the best institution for your career. Is the aviation a good career in India? Aviation is a very good career choice for future India because it guarantees tremendous potential growth and a great career. And regarding the transportation, there are 4 different cadres. One is the road transportation, another one port, there is a sea transportation, then railway transportation, and fourth is the aviation. The aviation transportation has the great growth and great future. You are joined in the correct sector. Is aviation a growing industry in India? Undoubtedly, affirmatively, yes. On a global scale, passenger air travel is expected to maintain positive growth rates despite a number of challenges, even though it is a COVID-19, even though the fuel prices increases, but it is all growing faced by the industry. The civil aviation industry in India has emerged as one of the fastest growing industries in the country during the last few years. It is still growing, it will be ever growing one. India has become the 3rd largest domestic aviation market in the world and is expected to overtake United Kingdom to become the 3rd largest air passenger market by 2024. Yes. And now we'll see some facts. In the present scenario, around 12 domestic airlines and about 60 international airlines are operating in India. The growth of airlines traffic in aviation industry in India is almost 4 times above the international average. Our growth is every year, the growth rate is more than 20%. Aviation industry in India have placed the biggest order for aircrafts globally. Therefore, you will be having a great future. Aviation industry in India holds around 69% of the total share of the airlines traffic in the region of South Asia. Yes. And if you see the domestic airlines, we are having different airlines. Air India, Go Air, Indigo, Jet Airways, and SpiceJet, then MLDR airlines, and different airlines are there. That is a domestic one. Yes, next. And there are the different players are there. That one by one, just all the names you can see. Air India, Jet Airlines, Indigo, Go Air, like that. Yes, next. Then SpiceJet. Yes, next, madam. That is then you can see the market share also, but that is not so important now. We will go to the next slide. Next, madam. That is the investment is the enormous in India. According to the data released by the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, foreign direct investment (FDI) inflow in India's air transport sector, including air freight, reached 2.95 billion American dollars between April 2000 and March 2021. Within 21 years, there is enormous growth. Yes. The government has allowed 100% of FDI. That is, FDI is the foreign direct investment under the automatic route in the scheduled air transport service, regional air transport service, and domestic scheduled passenger airline. However, the FDI over 49% would require the government approval. But the government has approved 100% direct FDI. Then India's aviation industry is expected to witness 35,000 crores, that is 4.99 billion American dollars of investment in the next 4 years. The Indian government is planning to invest nearly 10,000 crores development for airport infrastructure along with the aviation navigation. Yes. And we will see some key investments and developments in India's aviation industry that includes in June 2021, SpiceJet announced its ambitious target to fly 100 million domestic passengers on sustainable aviation fuel. In April 21, Boeing, an aircraft manufacturer, announced that it has partnered with the Indian Aviation Academy and the University of Southern California to conduct safety management system training sessions for all stakeholders in the domestic aviation industry. In March 2021, the Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi announced a key expansion project to increase its passenger handling capacity. The expansion project includes a new terminal, advanced facilities, an additional runway, and improved capacity to handle more passengers. In March 2021, the government announced a plan to set up 2 water aerodromes, that is in Assam, and 4 water aerodromes in Andaman and Nicobar Islands this year to boost the tourism and connectivity. That is, the aerodromes will be planned to construct over the water, over the sea. In March 2021, the government submitted a proposal to develop a water aerodrome project at the Ujjani Dam under the Ministry of Civil Aviation under the Udan RCS Regional Connectivity Scheme on Services. The Kurnool Airport, Orvakai, Andhra Pradesh were inaugurated. The flight operation at Kurnool Airport commenced on March 28, 2021 under the region. Then connectivity scheme, Uday Desh Ka Aam Narik, RCS Udan scheme. In March 2021, the government announced, அடுத்தது போய் முடிச்சாச்சு சொல்லியாச்சு அடுத்தது இன்னும் வரலையே மாறலையே இங்கே மாறல அதே தான் இருக்கு முடிச்சாச்சுமா இது முடிச்சாச்சு இன்னும் வரல அடுத்தது அடுத்த ஸ்லைட் எப்படி ஸ்டக் ஆயிடுச்சு என்னம்மா Excuse me, some technical problem. Wait a minute. On February 25, 2021, the Airports Authority of India issued tenders for construction of first phase of the international airport at Dholera in Gujarat, entailing an investment of 987 crores. The new facility is being set up in Greenfield City under the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor project at Dholera. In January 2020, Indigo became the first Indian carrier to have an aircraft fleet size of 250 planes and became the first airline to operate 1,500 flights per day. Airports Authority of India plans to invest about 25,000 crores of rupees in next the 5 years to augment facilities and infrastructure at airports. United Kingdom groups to invest 950 crores in turbo schemes. Yes, next, madam. Madam. Some major initiatives undertaken by the government are, that is, the government is taking major initiatives. The Ministry of Civil Aviation increased the capacity of domestic flights to 65% from 50%, effective from July 5th of 2021. The Ministry of Civil Aviation is hopeful that aspiring commercial pilots will soon be able to get trained in India without having to leave the country. In this regard, the government in July 2021 announced setting up 8 new flying academies across the following 5 airports: Belagavi and Kalaburgai in Karnataka, Jalgaon in Maharashtra, Gajraw in Madhya Pradesh, and Lilabari in Assam. On May 8, 2021, Airlines Airport Authority commenced commercial operation at Rupsi Airport, Northeast India, that is the 15th airport and Assam's 7th airport. Next, madam. In March 2021, on the launch of the Azadi Ka Amrit Moscow scheme by the Government of India, the Ministry of Civil Aviation has proposed 392 new routes under the UDAN 4.1 bidding process, under the UDAN schemes. The Airport Authority of India plans to abolish royalty and offer steep discounts in lease rent to encourage MRO units to set up facilities at its airports. MRO units in every airport. Therefore, job opportunities will be more. The government is planning to start 14 more water aerodromes across the country after the successful launch of the seaplane service between the Statue of Unity near Evadian in Gujarat and Gujarat's Narmala district and Sabarmati river front in Ahmedabad in October. Yes, madam. In November 2020, the Government of India announced that it is likely to increase the total number of allowed domestic flights to 75% of the pre-COVID-19 levels, as it expects a rise of passenger numbers due to the festive and holiday seasons. In September 2020, the Government of India sanctioned rupees 108 crores for Jagaldarpur, Ambikapur and Bilaspur airports in Chhattisgarh under the UDAN scheme for upgrading and development of the airports. Under Union Budget 2021-22 recently, the government lowered the custom duty from 2.5% to 0% on components or parts including engines for manufacturing of aircrafts by public sector units of the Ministry of Defence. Therefore, there is a growth rate of industries will be more. Yes, next, madam. Under the Union Budget 2021-22, the Indian government expanded the scope for Krishi Udan scheme in convergence with the Operation Green scheme, wherein air freight subsidy of 50% for agri-perishable would be provided to northeast states and for Himalayan states. The expansion of product coverage will boost the Krishi Udan scheme and improve air cargo transportation from these states. In October 2020, Zurich Airport International signed the concession agreement for the development of Jawar Airport on the outskirts of Delhi. The agreement has granted Zurich Airport International the license to design, build, and operate Noida International Airport for the next 40 years. On January 19th, 2021, the Airport Authority of India signed a concession agreement with the Adani Group of three airports, Jaipur, Guwahati, and Thiruvananthapuram. The concession period is for 50 years from the date of the commercial operations. Already, the Thiruvananthapuram is adopted by the Adani. Therefore, from Adani Group, we are seeing every week lot of job opportunities and calling for, we are getting it. Even many students from BSc and BBA who have completed, they have appeared for the interviews and they got appointed in many posts. Yes, madam. In October 2020, the Airports Authority of India announced a plan to upgrade runways of 7 airports across the country by March 2022. In January 2020, Indigo became first Indian carrier to have an aircraft fleet of size 250 planes and became the first airline to operate 1,500 flights per day. Airports Authority of India plans to invest about 25,000 crore rupees in the next 5 years to augment facilities and infrastructure at airports. This message already also we have told. Yes, next madam. Thus, the aviation sector is growing fast and will continue to grow. The most recent estimates suggest the demand for an air transport will increase tremendously over the coming next 20 years. Yes. So far, we have seen what are all the development and what is the our government of India is taking part for the development of aviation. Now we have joined this course. We are mainly looking after what we are expecting and what we are interested. After successful completion of our MBA, we have to place in a correct job in the airlines and aviation industry. Therefore, I will now we can discuss about some few job opportunities. What are all the fields? The sky is the limit. That is the types of airport jobs and aviation carriers are there are different. We will discuss something. In air crew, that is a pilot as a co-pilot or a flight engineer. Cabin crew, flight attendants, or ground crew controller, or air traffic controller, runway controller, marshalling. Marshalling means that is for assistance to land the aircraft and all. Marshalling department. Next. Then maintenance repair organization, MRO department. Then aircraft and aviation mechanic, airfield maintenance, runway safety crew, flight safety management, fire tender department, crash tender department, then in ambulance departments. There is air ambulance is the main thing. Yes, next one. Then airport manager, transportation security screener, airfield operations specialist, aeronautical engineer, cargo management, air ticketing service, customs department, immigration officials, security department, public relations and grievances services, and we can say lot more. And moreover, in our course from our college, you will be undergoing two value added courses. One is IATA, International Air Transportation, that is a international certificate course certified by the Canada. That is IATA, where all the airlines and airports are following the IATA scheme. Therefore, you are having a lot of opportunities by studying the IATA course also. Then second one, we are giving a online ticket booking course, Amadeus course. Therefore, you are having a great opportunity not only in aviation, in tourism industry, you are having a lot of opportunities. As a travel agency, you can have a lot of opportunities, or you can become a entrepreneur by starting a air travel agent, customs, airline ticket bookings offices we can open. Therefore, opportunities are more. Mainly, we have joined for our future. You have joined in a correct place and in the correct college. Therefore, everyone must have a very good hope that after completing, you will be joining in a very correct appointments. These are all the main things just I want to discuss. Therefore, what for we have joined? Because so far, for the last 8 days, all our senior principals and our senior professors have taken interactions, taken classes for you regarding the developments and how we have to develop it. Mainly, I want to say, because you are not a junior courses, you are joined in the master degree, you are in a postgraduate course, already you have completed your undergraduate course, therefore you are all matured students. What you have to do, your foundation, you have to make it very strong. Once our foundation is strong, definitely our building will be very strong. To make the foundation strong, what you have to do, you have to improve your communication skill very well. That is very important. Here in our college, they will be giving a communication value added courses they will give, and we are having our NCPIR, Nehru Corporate Placement and Industry Relations Cell. We are having a separate department, that is a well equipped department for our NGI group. From there also, the senior professors, trainers will come and give a training for you how to develop your other activities, attitudes. Therefore, I think this is enough for your detailed what you are expecting. That I've told the main job opportunities and all. Okay. I think we can complete it now. Therefore, I wish all the students a very good success, and I bless them a very good career for your future. With this, I will complete my session. Any doubts or any clarifications, dear students, you can ask. You can unmute your mic and ask. We can discuss. So Dr. Mutsam sir. Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is over now.
No, sir. Students want any clarifications, we can discuss, sir.
students are not asking questions because I think they have
Because
well
there are lot
understood.
of opportunities, more than 300 types of jobs are available, sir.
Jobs are available. You have, sir, you have, my dear students, the speaker has given you detailed account of the aviation industry today. See, a panoramic picture of the aviation industry in India. How many airports are already there? How many airports are coming? Especially the water aerodromes. He has collected a lot of information. Sir, your presentation with the PowerPoint slides, informative. It was very informative, and actually, with some statistics you have collected and given to the students. It was very interesting session, very informative also, and very useful. You have given a very wide opportunity, opened a door for to tell them about a lot of opportunities which are available in aviation industry in various capacities. I think these students will be very much useful to you. This information will be very useful, and they will make use of it for their prospects after the completion of their course, MBA, Airline Airport Management Program. Sir, we extend heartfelt thanks to you for the beautiful and interesting speech on behalf of my students and the faculties. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
sir. Very nice of you.
Thank you
Thank you
very
very
Sir,
much.
thank you very much.
Thank you,
very
sir.
much.
Rama
Well
sir, thank you.
explained.
Solid sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear students.
Thank you very much, sir. Anbe Shivam, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you,
The
sir.
presentation slides are very beautiful, sir.
Beautiful presentation.
Thank you.
Very
sir.
beautiful. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Slides and your presentation was very beautiful. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
beautiful.
sir. Thank you, all of you,
So,
sir.
so
Thank
very
you, dear
brief session.
students.
It was very interesting, useful. So, my dear students, please wait. Let sir take leave. We will have a small information to you.
வெளியே வந்துரும். மேடம்,
My
வெளியே
dear first year students, tomorrow onwards, we will follow new timetable.
வெளியே
The timetable is posted in your WhatsApp group. And up to Puja holidays, we will have online classes according to the timetable. After Puja holidays, we will be inviting you to personally to this campus because government has instructed that we can start classes with the physical presence of the students. So we will tell you during our online classes when the date on which you will have to be anyway you have to be prepared. Prepare yourself to travel to Coimbatore city, seek your accommodation either in the hostel or outside, and then we will have regular classes with the physical presence of students in classrooms. Okay, so timetable will be posted in your group. You see that. So that is for your information. So if you want any clarification about this, you can ask us now. We will tell you. We will guide you. And otherwise, this session, the 8 days program has come to a fag end with a beautiful presentation of PowerPoint slides by our HOD, Professor Singarvadi Velu. We thank him wholeheartedly, and please make use of the advices given by all the experts, professors and principals. They addressed you during the 16 sessions. So on various topics of interesting matters like personality development or cultural development, all that. It may be psychological, it may be, informational on some subjects on aviation industry or your personal matters. So, so we also thank all the speakers who addressed for during the orientation program. We also thank the students who participated sincerely in all the sessions. Anyhow, the subjects discussed during this orientation program is nothing to do with your syllabus, but this is to develop your personality, soft skills and hard skills, and this will enable you to accept the demands of the postgraduate program. So you'll be now fit. As I told you, it is a bridge that we have built between the UG course and the PG course. Now you are entering the PG course through this bridge. That bridge is orientation course. Okay. Thank you, all of you, for this attending. Most of the students attended. Only very few could not attend. Maybe they have some other difficulties. So we don't mind. But let them all, some more students have also joined. They are yet to join. They have planned to join the course. So when we come here for offline classes, we will start our career teaching learning process with the presence of teachers and the students. It will be very interesting and enjoyable life in this campus for you for the 2 years to come. I wish all the best. Please do attend the classes tomorrow onwards online. And when we tell you the date, you have to come here. Be prepared, most probably after Puja holidays. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Today we have completed little earlier. So because last session, very good. This is valedictory session, of course. Thank you. Thank you very much. You can leave the platform. Come tomorrow online. See the timetable. Okay, thank you.